Today I'm gonna make an eternal classic for you guys, and that's gonna be the best Caesar salad. This recipe was created by Cesare Cardini back in 1924, and since then plenty chefs and home cooks copied the original recipe or changed and made new versions of it, but totally unnecessary, because the original one is still the best. I'm gonna show you how to make that, so let's roll! According to the story, Cesare Cardini was an Italian immigrant who opened his restaurants in the US and Mexico, and his reputation grew by time. Therefore, there was a huge rush in his restaurant once at the 4th of July, and his kitchen supplies went out of stock. Then he had to improvise and took a quick look at the pantry to discover what he still had, to create something easy but delicious for his guests. And that's the brief history of the Caesar salad, as we know it so far. So today I attempt to make that recipe for you guys. Okay, first of all, what I like to do is to make my own garlic bread croutons, and this is gonna be as easy as it gets. So I get some regular white bread, maybe 2 big slices will do, and I cut the crust of it. Then I continue to cut it into 1-inch white cubes like this. Then I grab my skillet and preheat it on medium heat and add 2 tablespoons of really good quality olive oil, 2 crushed cloves of garlic, some herbs optionally, and let them get know each other. It's really quick, I guarantee that. After 1 minute of cooking, the oil in the kitchen already smells like garlicky. And that's the point when you can throw in your bread cubes, season it lightly with a pinch of salt and some freshly ground black pepper, and there is nothing left to do, just let the croutons absorb the garlicky olive oil and become crispy like this. Once I was done with that, I discard the garlic and I put it on the side until plating. Now it's time to make the heart and the soul of the Caesar salad, and that's the Caesar dressing, of course. So I put a wet kitchen towel in here and place a medium-sized bowl on it. That helps you keep the bowl stable. Making Caesar dressing is similar to making mayo, so that's the process. I get 2 large eggs and separate the whites and the yolks. In this recipe I only need the yolks. Then I add a heaped teaspoon of Dijon mustard and start to mix it together with around 6 tablespoons of any neutral tasting oil. Just pay attention to add the oil to the mixture very slowly. Therefore you get a nice emulsion like this. Now there is a big question which has always been asked. Do you need to add anchovies in the Caesar dressing or not? As far as I know, the original recipe didn't call for it, so I just leave that as well this time. But a little bit of anchovy taste is important, so there is one ingredient includes that naturally, and that's the Worcester sauce. So I add 1 tablespoon of it to the mix. And here comes the other key ingredient for the dressing. 1 clove of finely chopped or grated garlic, 1 heaped tablespoon of grated Parmesan cheese, and some fresh lemon juice from half lemon. Season the whole thing with a fat pinch of salt and some freshly ground black or white pepper, then mix it thoroughly, and that's it. Alright, so there is one more thing left to do, is to wash and rinse the lettuce. And guys, that green has to be romaine lettuce, clearly. So please forget iceberg, lolo or any other lettuce for this salad. Personally I prefer baby romaines because it's more crunchy and easy to eat. So when it was invented, the idea was a simple salad which can be eaten with your hands as well, as you hold a whole leaf of lettuce in your hands. So the plating is super easy, believe me. Just get those leaves of the romaine and put some dressing on each one of it, then put on a plate. Top that with the crispy croutons and shave some Parmesan cheese on it with your veggie peeler. And here you go. Guys, from start to finish I made this salad in 15 minutes, so the lack of time cannot be an excuse. I guarantee you that this one is super easy, very tasty. So just go for it and make. You won't regret.